Hi guys, okay, so when I was working reticulation, I used to want to find cable faults and learn how to find cable faults and stuff like that. And one of the most used items, and of course it's also used in the Fluke MS2, is in TDR. What is a TDR? It's also known as a time domain reflectometer. So what it does is it sends a pulse, normally a step voltage, would send an electromagnetic wave in a cable, and if it found an open circuit, the open circuit, due to the fact that the wave propagates to the end of the cable, it has to reduce to zero. That in itself will send a wave back, and it'll time the wave and how long the wave takes, and it'll tell you where it found the disturbance. Of course, there's reasons to use a mega, a thumper, and then use this, right? If there isn't a dead short, sometimes the cable can look alright on the TDR, right? It might have a very little reflection there. And of course, when there's a short circuit between two cables, you can also pick it up on this, right? It has an inverted input where it would see that the short signal came back, right? So it has all of these functionalities, and you can go look at what an open circuit would look like, what a short circuit would look like, and also you can adjust your range on it as well, especially on this one, even though this one is like literally almost an antique. So you can adjust the range, right? So some of these like reflectometers have an insane range, and the one on the Fluke as well, it tells me exactly how far the break is, and if it is indeed in between two cores, if it is like a short in between two cores or something like that. It'll also show me that on that TDR. And then this one is similar to like the MV types that you use, right? It's same technology, essentially, right? The propagation of a waveform, and then it'll either come to a disturbance or something like that, and then have reflections from there, because that is basically like an inline impedance, right? An imperfection, and it sees these things.